Hi, have you seen a toddler sort their toys? They just keep moving things randomly until magically everything's in order. That's basically sorting. Today, we're going to learn about the bubble sort algorithm, the baby step of sorting. It's simple, it's cute, and honestly, a little bit slow. But hey, we all start somewhere. Stick around. By end of this, you will learn understand sorting so well. Let's intuitively learn what is bubble sort. Suppose we have a stack of pancakes with size 5, 3, 8, 1, 2. Our mission is to sort them from smallest to biggest. Step 1. Compare the first two pancakes. Is 5 bigger than 3? Yes, swap them. Step 2. Move to the next pair. Is 5 bigger than 8? Nope, no swap. Next pair. Is 8 bigger than 1? Duh, swap them. Is 8 bigger than 2? Obviously, swap them. Notice that what happens? The biggest pancake ate bubbled up to the end just like a bubble rising in soda. After repeating this process again and again, you will get the sorted array. Well, good luck. The code in the description. Bye.